Absolutely, 100%. One piece of advice I have, be ready. Be ready. It's going to light your phone up. My biggest issue that I have is the fact I cannot handle the amount of calls that I get coming in. It's unlike anything I've ever seen. As long as I've been in the industry, in 1984, we put a full page colored ad in the yellow pages. If you're not that old, don't know what the yellow pages are, it used to be the only phone book and how the only way you got a hold of people. The money that I've spent with these guys, it's irreplaceable. Can't do it any better.
Yes, I definitely 100% would advise people to sign up with Outdoor Network Services. For one, they build extremely professional websites, which we get a lot of compliments on. The other thing is that you're going to get page one listings on Google, which is extremely important. Advertising comes down to a few things. If somebody sees a pond on the side of a truck, if they see a company on YouTube advertising, they see this type of stuff, it may not even be for your company that's doing it, but they see it, and then they get on their phone or they get on their laptop, they're sitting in front of their TV, and they type in, you know what, pond builder, pond contractor, and our name pops up more than once on page one for pond maintenance, for pond building, pond contractors, you name it. We show up, and that is what causes the leads to happen. When the leads come in, we have to process them, but that's exactly what it's important for, is that we just get found. And anybody that's looking to get that type of result, they need to get connected with Outdoor Network Services. I mean, it's just that simple. It's worth every penny spent. Advertising dollars are hard to track as it is. 50% of them go nowhere. 50% actually work. So you don't know where that comes from, and like I said, it can be somebody else's deal, but when it comes to being found, you need to have this service in order to be found. So I guess that's trying to break it down quickly and easily, but I would 100% recommend it to anybody looking for it. It is a game changer.
I would advise other pond contractors to use Outdoor Network Services if they want to have success in their area, and especially if you have other contractors that do what you do. I think it'll put you ahead of the curve and help out your business quite a bit.
I would tell everyone to use it because it's a wonderful way to get your name out there. They're former pond builders. They understand what we do. They understand everything outdoors, and they know how to work with you.
Of course, yes, I would recommend it to anybody, and because it helped to change the image of my company, plus it helped to give us more leads and more exposure, and it's been great for my company.
Absolutely. I mean, if you want to be found online, that's where everybody's going to find people, and if you got the right company doing the SEO, then people are going to find you online. So I highly recommend that for sure.
Well, only if they'd like to grow their business.
Right. Absolutely. If you're looking for more leads, and if you're looking for a great way to bring people to your website, I don't think you can do better in Outdoor Network Services.
Or better yet, have them design a fabulous website that is worth bringing people to.
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely. I would absolutely recommend it. It's just another part of your marketing package, I guess you would call it, something to add to it to get people to get to your website, to call you. Your website is your online marketing tool, and you need people to see it in order to get them to call. So that's what the service will do for them.